Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the Philips TV model and whether it is built in Wi-Fi or needs a USB adapter. This matters because menus differ. Next, make sure you have the router SSID and password at hand. Passwords are case-sensitive, so save typing time. Turn the TV on and open settings right away. Once done, navigate to Network. Start the wireless setup wizard. This starts the connection flow so you can pick your network and move to authentication without extra delays. You now scan for wireless networks and select your SSID from the list. If many appear, verify the router label to avoid duplicates. Once selected, the TV may ask for security type, usually WPA2, so make sure it matches your router settings. Enter the password using the remote or the Philips mobile app keyboard. Type slowly and confirm characters when available, because a single wrong letter blocks access. After authentication, let the TV obtain an IP address and test the connection to ensure traffic flows. Finish by checking network details to confirm the TV received an IP and DNS and that the internet test passed. This verifies both local and external connectivity. If the TV prompts a firmware update, install it now, because software updates often resolve Wi-Fi compatibility or stability problems. If you still have issues, power cycle the router and the TV, unplug for 30 seconds, and retry the wireless setup, since that clears many transient DHCP or channel conflicts. This single troubleshooting step solves most lingering failures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.